severe thunderstorm watch. I'm gonna leave because it's gonna be really loud.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 171, effective until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time Friday. This watch includes the following counties in Oklahoma: Lincoln, Logan, Noble, and Payne. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. From the Norman Forecast.